That's right. It's already time to start thinking about spring cleaning. Now listen, I'm sure we all can agree that this past year has presented the greatest reason to really deep clean our homes. Welcome back everyone, Mrs. H here, and today we're starting a two-part series on deep spring cleaning. The first in this two-part series will offer some essential cleaning tips and highlight the prep work needed before the deep cleaning actually begins. This strategy often helps to avoid becoming overwhelmed by the process. Now before we get started, as always, if you want to be a part of the tribe, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now, if you're here for it, let's get started. Tip number 1, you guessed it, declutter. It is the foundation for any cleaning program. To make this task more manageable, perhaps you'll need, let's say, one weekend day for each room in your home. Start by creating 3 piles for items that are just lying around or that are outdated or items that you haven't used in a year or more. One pile will be for things you'd like to keep, another pile are for items you can sell or donate, and your final pile will be for items that need to be discarded. Now listen, I realize that this task is often easier said than done because of our emotional attachment to things, but it is absolutely necessary, so don't skip it. Tip number 2, the top-down approach. During your prep work as well as your deep cleaning, taking this approach will ensure a proper cleaning. In general, you're always going to start at the top and work your way down to the bottom. Because, well, gravity. Now, while at the top, be sure to clean corners, light fixtures, ceiling fans, and crown molding. And while working on your floors, be sure to address the corners, under appliances and furniture, as well as baseboards. Tip number 3 is always dust first before deep cleaning. Again, working your way from top to bottom, dust every surface you have, including window ledges, blinds, knickknacks, books, lamps, and picture frames. Now don't panic, you will send your drapes out for cleaning or clean them yourself in the next phase of this process. Tip number 4, determine your cleaning product tolerance. Because of fumes and such, everyone has a different tolerance level to cleaning products. Perhaps you lean more towards traditional commercial products. You'll definitely want to pick those up now. Some items to remember include your favorite oven cleaner, degreaser, and floor cleaner. Perhaps you prefer taking a more holistic approach to cleaning. Vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice are all environmentally friendly and go a long way. Whatever your choice, look for sales and stock up on these items now. Finally, tip number 5 is save your floors for last. This tip goes along with the top-down approach, but it does bear repeating. You will be cleaning cabinet and pantry shelves where crumbs are likely to fall to the floor. Whatever you do, don't make it harder on yourself by having to duplicate your efforts. Now that you're aware, please share. And for more like this coming down the pike, all we ask is that you please like. Above all, be kind, and we'll see you in the next video.